In this video, you will learn how to connect funding pips to MatchTrader. Choose MatchTrader as your platform to sign up. When purchasing a challenge from Funding Pips, select MatchTrader as your preferred trading platform. Check your emails for MatchTrader credentials. After completing your payment, you will receive an email from Funding Pips with a password, server or broker name, MatchTrader login ID, and a direct MatchTrader app link. Download the MatchTrader app link or use the web terminal. On mobile, download the MatchTrader app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. On desktop, go to MatchTrader website provided or access it via browser. Launch the platform and select the broker. Open the app or the web terminal. Enter the broker's server name listed in your email or search for your Funding Pip server if you need to. Enter your credentials and log in. Input your login ID and your password as provided by Funding Pips. Once you're logged in, your account and trading dashboard will load. Start trading. You are now connected. You can monitor positions, place trades and manage your account directly within the MatchTrader interface. Now you know how to connect Funding Pips to MatchTrader. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.